If you're a travel enthusiast who also loves tech gadgets, this is the video for you. I have my top 5 tech gadgets for travel enthusiasts coming up. Where are we going next? Let's go. We're here in the holiday season. Time to get shopping for those travel enthusiasts on your gift list. Welcome back to the Traveling Cheesehead. My name is Michelle, and on this channel we cover everything travel related. Travel vlogs, planning tips, reviews, and recommendations. If it sounds like content that you might like, make sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Alright, on today's video we are talking about my top 5 choices of tech gadgets for the travel enthusiast. Travelers love tech, and more companies are realizing this and coming out with some really cool gadgets. Now, my top 5 lists are fairly practical items that can be used both for travel as well as outside of travel. Now, make sure to stay tuned to the end for my number 1 option. All of these items, I am providing a link below, so don't forget to click and check them out so you can pick them up for your travel enthusiasts. Coming in at number 5 is the Apple Watch. Now, I didn't pick a specific model of the Apple Watch because, quite frankly, all of them are really great for travel enthusiasts. They have a lot of features on the actual Apple Watch. Many of you probably already own an Apple Watch, but if you have a traveler who does not own one, it's a great gift idea for them. You can save a little bit of money by getting some of the older models, and they still have most of the capabilities that the new models have. Coming in at number 4 are the AirPods Pro. Now, these are great because they have the self-charging case, as well as they are very small, so they're great for travelers. They have great sound, they're Bluetooth, you know the deal. A lot of you probably have AirPods, and again, you can go with the Pro or you can go with the regular ones. Either one are going to be great. The only reason I recommend the Pro is because of that self-charging case. It makes it a little bit easier for the traveler, less things to lug around. Coming in at number 3, it's important that you keep track of your stuff when you're traveling. So the Trtl stickers and the Trtl Pro are really great things. What these are these little sensors that get put into your luggage. You can attach them to your keys. They have a variety of options available in the Trtl series, but what it does is it keeps track of where your stuff is. So it'll alert you if you're looking for an item. You can locate the tile and track your item so you know where it is at all times. This is great when you're checking luggage, and you can even put them on your keys. So if you have a traveler who loses their keys all the time, or if you just happen to lose your keys all the time, these are great because you can always locate the items that you need when you need them. Number 2, connectivity is super important when you are traveling. So the Skyroam Solus Lite mobile hotspot is perfect for your traveler. They can link up their devices anywhere in the world for Wi-Fi and have connectivity to find their destinations, to map out their routes, to ask Siri a question, anything they need, they can have this mobile hotspot. Now, there are fees that go with it when you're in those different countries, but it is far cheaper to have this device versus getting an international SIM card or paying the rates of your carrier to have connectivity overseas. I told you that I was going to save the best for last, my number 1 pick. Now, don't forget to tune in tomorrow where I'm going to talk about the top 5 gift ideas for the travel enthusiast for him. So coming in at number 1 is the Blaver Solar Charger Power Bank. It even has a flashlight. This thing is awesome because it is solar powered, so you can clip it to your day pack as you walk around throughout the day. The sunlight will charge it, and then it will charge your devices. It also doubles as a flashlight, so if you're in those situations where you need a little bit of light, it also doubles as a flashlight. Super useful for the traveler, super compact, and very powerful. This is my number 1 travel gadget. Now, I know some of you will probably disagree with me, and that's okay. I'd love to hear what you think I missed in the comments below. Don't forget, I've put the links for all of these items in the description, so make sure you check them out. Tomorrow, I will be joining you with my top 5 gift ideas for him. So don't forget to tune in tomorrow, subscribe, ring the notification bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for joining me today on the Traveling Cheesehead. Until next time, travel safe. Where are we going next? Let's go.